In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conversation starters in Facebook Messenger. To begin, open your settings and head to the Messenger section. This is where you can manage the tools that shape how people interact with your business through direct messages. If you want to make it easier for customers or followers to start a conversation with you, this is a really useful feature to know about. Once you're inside Messenger settings, scroll down until you find the conversation starters section. When you see it, click Edit. This area lets you create ready-made prompt questions that appear in your Facebook direct message window. These prompts help guide people toward the topics they're most likely to ask about, which can make the experience feel smoother and more organized right from the start. Now it's time to add your prompt questions. You can create up to 4 conversation starters, so think carefully about the most common things your audience wants help with. Each prompt should be short, clear, and easy to understand at a glance. The goal is to help someone immediately recognize which option best matches what they need. For each prompt question you add, attach a specific flow that should be triggered when someone clicks it. This is what turns a simple question into an automated path. Instead of just opening a blank chat, the selected flow can guide the person through the exact next steps you want them to take. That could mean helping them learn more about a service, answer frequently asked questions, or move toward a booking or support request. Make sure the flow you connect is relevant to the prompt so the experience feels natural and helpful. As you set these up, it's a good idea to keep the wording consistent and user-friendly. Try to avoid anything vague. Clear prompts usually perform better because people know exactly what to expect when they tap on them. When everything looks good, click Save. This enables your conversation starters in your Facebook DM window so people can begin interacting with your page using the options you've just created. And that's it. With just a few quick changes, you can make your Messenger experience more guided, more efficient, and much easier for your audience to use. If you're trying to improve response flow and help people get to the right information faster, conversation starters are a simple but powerful tool to set up.